Picture this. You're about to be approached by a sync company. You now have the chance to get your song into a massive film that could earn you a shitload of money. They contact you and they ask you, oh hey, band number 374 on our list, do you have an instrumental for this song? And then you don't reply to them for a day. You reply to them saying, oh sorry mate, I don't think we've got an instrumental for this. I can contact our studio for you if you want. You're fucked up. They've already moved on by then. If you're gonna do well as a band or an artist or a musical person of any kind, you need to be prepared. You need to have everything available, both assets, so like images and files and stuff, and information. You need to have all that ready before it's needed. So take a sync company. They want to use your song in a film or an advertising campaign that could potentially earn you a lot of money and give you a lot of exposure on that one song. They contact you for instrumentals and stems, which are like your drum track, your guitar track, your vocal track, etc. You don't have them because you didn't think to ask for them at the studio. So you reply to them saying, oh, should I get in touch with my studio? By that time, they've already forgotten about you, they've already moved on. You need to have this shit on demand so that as soon as anyone like that gets in contact with you, you can just whiz it them straight away. So I'm gonna give you a few examples of things that you will need and what you will need them for. Even if you don't think that you need this thing straight away, trust me, you do. Instrumentals and stems. Sync good, high quality press photos and images. Reviews and interviews.
Don't underestimate that, by the way. Loads of people go, oh, we've already got some photos.
I'll actually do a quick anecdote about this one. The other day I wanted to review a band because I really like their new song and they're a really good band and they have really good like talent and ability to write songs. Took me a few hours to find a press photo. That was shit and grainy. It wasn't even a press photo, it was a picture that had been taken of them live. I had to then edit that and play up to the fact that it was shit and grainy to essentially make it look worse, to make it look better, so that I had an excuse to use it so I could write the review. I went through all that shit just because I wanted to review this band. If they had a nice press photo, I wouldn't have had to do that. A lot of reviewers would have just binned that off straight away. It was only because I was really passionate about reviewing this band that I actually went to that trouble. A lot of people won't, so have press photos. Tech specs, so like a diagram of where you all stand on stage and the equipment that you will need. You'll need this for like live events, festivals and stuff. If a festival comes to you and say, oh, we need to confirm you within the hour, would you like to do this really, really good support slot that could skyrocket your career? And then you're like, oh, what's a tech spec? How do I make one? You fucked it. Too late.
We have a video up there. Go watch it.
A short bio. This also comes in handy for things like reviews, interviews, and even when like you've been confirmed to play at a festival, a lot of festivals will have like a little artist section where they talk a little bit about the artist. You need to have that available.
The more time that you can save from someone else doing it, the better, because people will just want to copy and paste.
Yeah.
In any way that they can.
Same as press releases. If you're contacting a reviewer to do a review of you, have a fucking press release. And I know this because I write reviews. So I have to then reply to the band when they've asked me, oh, will you do a review for us? I'll say, yes, I'd like to review your song. Do you have a press release? And they'll go, oh, we'll make one for you. And then that's another fucking week that I have to wait. So from the point of view of someone who is always waiting for shit from bands, please just have this shit ready, because there's a lot of people in the industry who won't be as forgiving as I am, despite my tone, and will just be like, oh, I've waited a day for them, too late, they've missed their chance, they're gone, I'll move on to the next band who actually have their shit together. So please, for the love of God, have your shit together. Another aspect of having your shit together is check your band email at least once a day. As we've said in fucking hundreds of videos, you need to treat your band like a business. Would you go into work one day and not check your email? I wouldn't. Lenny might do, but I wouldn't. I suppose all of this can kind of be corralled under the statement of your band is a business. Get your shit together. We have literally had like festival opportunities and things that we have specifically not offered to certain bands because we know that they're not going to get back to us in time. When we have an opportunity that comes through, we usually filter it down to 5-10 bands that we know will get back to us in the deadline time. All the bands that don't, we don't even bother asking because we know that they're not going to get back to us. You need to be that band that is going to get back to people on time. You need to be on it, as we like to say in the office. You need to be on it, you need to have your shit together, you need to have all your assets and your information in one place where any member of the band can access it. And you all know your shit, you all know your shit, you all need to have your shit, and just don't be shit. If you want to see more videos from this series, then click over that side, and if you want to see our best of videos, click over there.
Oh, do you not have anything to say, Joe? Well, I'll use it as a shameless plug. My band released a video yesterday. Go check it out. It's linked in the top right. Thank you, Joe.